Speaking strategies for TOEFL and IELTS. Hey there, English language learners. Welcome back to our channel dedicated to helping you improve your English skills. In today's video, we'll be focusing on speaking strategies for the TOEFL and IELTS exams. Both of these tests assess your ability to communicate effectively in English, so it's important to develop the right strategies to succeed. Let's dive right in. Before we delve into specific strategies, it's crucial to understand the structure of the speaking sections in TOEFL and IELTS. In both tests, the speaking section evaluates your ability to express yourself clearly, demonstrate fluency, and use appropriate vocabulary and grammar. In the TOEFL, you'll be asked to respond to recorded prompts by speaking into a microphone. You'll have 45 to 60 seconds to prepare and 60 seconds to respond. The IELTS, on the other hand, consists of a face-to-face interview with an examiner, where you'll engage in a conversation on a range of topics. One key strategy for success is to organize your response effectively. In both exams, it's crucial to structure your ideas in a clear and coherent manner. Here are a few steps to help you. 1. Analyze the prompt. Take a moment to understand the question or topic given. Identify the key points or requirements. 2. Plan your response. Spend a few seconds outlining your main ideas and supporting details. This will give your response a logical flow. 3. Introduce your response. Start with a clear and concise introduction that directly addresses the prompt. 4. Develop your ideas. Elaborate on your main ideas using relevant examples, explanations, or personal experiences. 5. Conclude effectively. Summarize your main points and provide a clear conclusion that brings your response to a satisfying end. A strong vocabulary and appropriate grammar usage are essential for achieving a high score in the speaking sections. Here are a few tips to enhance your language skills. 1. Expand your vocabulary. Regularly practice learning new words and phrases related to common themes in the exams. Utilize flashcards, word lists, and context-based learning exercises to reinforce your understanding. 2. Use idiomatic expressions. Incorporate idiomatic expressions and collocations to showcase your fluency and natural language usage. 3. Employ a variety of sentence structures. Demonstrate your grammatical range by using complex and compound sentences. Avoid repetitive sentence structures. 4. Practice pronunciation. Work on your pronunciation by imitating native speakers, listening to audio materials, and practicing tongue twisters. Focus on intonation, stress, and word linking to sound more natural. Time management is crucial in both TOEFL and IELTS speaking sections. To make the most of your allotted time, consider the following strategies. 1. Practice speaking under time pressure. Simulate exam conditions by timing yourself during practice sessions. This will help you become more comfortable and efficient in delivering your responses within the given time limits. 2. Maintain a steady pace. Speak at a consistent speed, neither too fast nor too slow. This will ensure clarity and coherence in your speech. 3. Manage transitions. Use transition words and phrases to connect your ideas smoothly. This will help you transition between different parts of your response seamlessly. Congratulations! You've now learned some valuable strategies to improve your speaking skills for the TOEFL and IELTS exams. Remember to practice regularly, develop your vocabulary and grammar, organize your responses effectively.